Paano magpaikot ng utang sa Maya Credit? Yan, punta tayo sa Maya. And then, ayan, may balance akong 2,000. Then, click credit. Then, pay this bill. Yan, antayin yung lumabas yung pay this bill bago nyo bayaran. Huwag nyo rin antayin mag-due date. Yan, pwedeng bayaran ng 2,000 or 1,400. Yung interest. Yan. Pay this bill. Then, continue. And then, ayan, may 1,000 tayong available credit. Then, transfer to wallet yung 1,000. Continue. Transfer now. Then, pay this bill again. Hanggang sa zero balance. Pay this bill. Continue. Yan. 1,500. Kung magkano yung balance nyo, yun yung ilagay nyo. 1,500. Pay this bill. Ayan. Paulit-ulit lang hanggang sa zero balance. Refresh. And then transfer to wallet again. 1,500 transfer natin. Then pay this bill again. 1,500. And then refresh. Then transfer to wallet again. 1,500. Ulit-ulit lang hanggang sa zero balance, pero may utang pa rin tayo para lang hindi umabot sa due date. Yan, 1,000 na lang. Pay this bill again. 1,000. Pay. Ayan, zero balance na. Pero may utang pa rin ako na 4,000. Ano? 4,362. Then, may available credit ako na 1,000. Hindi ko muna gagamitin. Then, ang next due date niyan is August 16 na. Yan. Para kung may pambayad naman kayong full, pwede naman. Ayan, ganyan lang guys. Thank you.